What's up, you guys? It's Kris. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to get into this low, sleek ponytail. This was so quick, and I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and film this for all my curly girls, because you know it can be a struggle sometimes getting your hair in a sleek ponytail. So today's video is going to be on this look. Before we get into it, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, no more talking. Let's just get into it.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back. From you, I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow.
Ryan Little.